How to block YouTube channels. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can block YouTube channels. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your YouTube. And after you're there, you'll need to find a video of that very channel that you want to block. Now tap on the three dots that is right besides the video's name. After you tap on it, you will see an option that says not interested. You can tap on that, or you can go one step further and tap on don't recommend channel. After you do that, you will need to head over to that very channel again. You can head over from the search bar. I'll just head over to it from this video. And after you're on the channel, what you'll need to do is, again, I'll just check off this video if there is an option to do what we did earlier. And after you're on the page of this channel, tap on the three dots on the top right, and here you will see hide user from my channel. So after you do that, if you hide your users from this channel, what will happen is that the video or the channel will not be able to see you. They will not be able to see your likes. They will not be able to see your subscriptions. Overall, they will not know that you are there. So your content will also stop coming up in your feed. So you can again head over here and again don't recommend this channel. And after you do that, that is how you basically block a YouTube channel. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.